Hello, ninth graders. Welcome to our first official week, Unit 1, Session 1. Um, the best way to access the content for our week is going to be looking at this weekly update here. You can see that I had the folder linked right here. So you can just hit that, or you can come over to materials over here. You hit fall semester. I'm actually not going to do that on this page because I don't want to lose that update. You hit fall semester. And here it is, Unit 1, Growing Reading Dispositions, Session 1. So the best way to access all the content is just to start on this welcome page here, read through this all, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to hit Next. And it's going to take you through all of the pages here. That way you don't miss anything. What not to do would be to come to your 9th grade ELA page and come over here to the upcoming and only hit the assignments. The reason for that is because you are going to miss a big chunk of directions if you do that. If we click on this activity right here, this assignment, you're going to see that there are no instructions here. It's just the drop box. So you're creating more work for yourself by having to go back to the previous page when you could have just been here anyway looking through. So just make sure that you are looking at all of the pages when you are going through a session. That way you don't miss anything. I promise I don't put anything in there that you don't need. Other than that, make sure that you are reaching out to me if you need anything. Please continue to watch these weekly videos each week. They provide some helpful tips and some need to knows as well. Yeah, let me know if you need anything. Have a great week.